Warning, proceed with caution. The following program documents the life of a 19-year-old whose hobbies included racing, building cars, and making financial decisions that financial advisors would strongly discourage. No amount of horsepower is ever enough. No racetrack is ever visited enough, and somehow there's always another part to buy.
What's up, worldwide? In the last video, we started stripping the front interior of this car, including the front seats, the seat belts, the B pillars, the A pillars. That's all gone now, but there's still a good amount in the front, such as the dashboard, the HVAC system, the radio, the headliner still in here. So there's a lot that still needs to go. So that's today's goal. Let's get after it. Alright, first things first. Before we start touching anything, I want to talk about what I'm going to do today. So first, the main game plan is getting this headliner down. Which, that might be a little bit of a concern because it's just cardboard with carpet on it, so it's probably going to fold on me. But I'm hoping not. After that, we're going to move down to the passenger side with the glove box and the passenger airbag. All that needs to go. After that, I'm going to move over to the driver's side and see what I can pull, and then I'm just going to learn as I go, because I'm not really sure what I'm going to be pulling now. I know my main goal is to get these airbags out and this headliner, but after that, I'm not too sure, so let's really get after it. So looking at this headliner, it looks like if I just continue to take out these pieces here, like the mirror and the sun visor and these lights and the oh shit handles, that this headliner will slowly start coming down, but I'm gonna need something to hold it up, so I'm probably gonna find like a pole just to hold it completely up so it doesn't fall down on me as I'm taking it down, but it's just gonna be a very slow process. So let's get after it. Alright, now that we got all the clips out here, it's just going to come right down, but it's going to come right down like in a failing manner because I shouldn't be doing this by myself. So, enjoy watching me fail. Let's get after it. Woo. I can see why people say that's really tedious, but we got it out. Okie dokie. Now with that out, it looks a lot more like a race car in here, so we're definitely getting places. There's more things on the roof I can remove, such as these wirings for the lights and such, but I'm gonna wait to do that. My next goal is the passenger side. Let's get after it. Okay, this is what it looks like with the glove box out. I think I'm going to start working on this AC unit next, or the airbag, whichever seems easier, but I think the AC unit down here might be easier. So, let's get after that. Finally that came out. That was really stuck in there. I can tell someone was in there because there's duct tape on it. looks like it may have been broken or something, so they threw some duct tape on it. But no more need for that, so let's keep going deeper. Now that we got the passenger airbag out, we're able to reach that 10 millimeter right there to get this lower half of the HVAC box out. And then after that, we'll be able to slowly start moving over to the radio and the HVAC system in here. So let's get started. Okay, let me stop myself before I get too far. But so far, I've removed the screen, the radio, some of the air boxes, this top airbag. I still have these controls in here because my arch nemesis are these stupid fucking clips. I always struggle with them, so it's been slowing me down. They're just in a little tricky of a spot, so I can't get them. But this control panel's the next thing to come out, and then I need to look behind it to see if I can get this main air box out. And after that, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I have to figure it out, but I'll let you know when I do. But let's get this control panel out. Okay, with a lot out of the middle here, I think I'm just going to start moving below the driver's seat and get what out I can from over there. And then I'm going to see what I can do about that AC box, but I know that the heater core's back there and it's still filled with coolant, and I need to close off the EJ up there so it's not leaking either. So that's going to have to wait for this box to come out, but I'm going to start moving to the driver. Alright, Girl Scouts, so far we have removed that lower dash panel down there and the driver's airbag. With the airbag removed and all that removed, you can really tell our wheels got some play in it. But I'm not too worried about that because we're not going to hit the track anytime soon, but it's definitely something we'll need to address. But besides that, I don't know if you guys remember, but the horn on this car didn't work. Well, the clock spring that I took out of this car didn't even have the horn plugged in. So it was just the airbag. So no wonder the horn did not work. But whatever. I don't need it now. Alright, let's keep going. After this, though, I think I'm going to remove that dash clock up there. And then I might see if the whole dashboard might come out, but I'm not sure yet. Let's get after it. I finally got the Speedo out. I'm telling you, man, those clips, they're fucking dangerous to me. There was 3 of them. That middle one was really the one giving me troubles. But I finally got it out. So now we should be able to just pull out our dashboard. Let's see how that goes. Okay, Cub Scouts, with that dashboard out, it's really starting to look like a race car in here. There are just a couple more little pieces over there that I need to get out, but I'm not too sure how to get them out yet, so I'm going to need to do some research. I know that the heater core is in there, so I'm going to try and not drain the coolant yet, so I might wait until like tomorrow to get that done. But it's starting to look like a car. Alright, Worldwide, I am going to cut it for today, though, because I'm running out of time and it's getting late outside. But I honestly got a lot done, but there's still a little bit more to go, such as I need to pull, like, these dome light harnesses out and these seatbelt harnesses and this heater core box and all that stuff. But I'm just going to save it till the next video because I don't think I have time to do it. But then after that, we can start prepping this chassis to get a cage in it. Until next time.